I think that Somalia now is going to a different phase. This civil war has taken many phases, and now I think we are at the end of it, and we help the international community to take this role. And we don't need, for example, you said, what kind of aid? We don't need cash aid to give it to us. All we need is to deliver to the people, to give them hope, to give them alternative to Al-Shabaab and other terrorist organizations. And we can do this by themselves delivering to the people by quick impact projects, development projects, social services.
We've been tracking the people who have been abducted by Al-Shabaab. And we've known, for example, that they've been moved from place to place. We've been working, for example, with French intelligence and also with British intelligence with regard to those who have been kidnapped.